Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new, my name is Claudia. And guys, thank you so much for the support you have been showing me. Thank you so much for for the subscription, guys. I don't take it for granted. And guys, if you are watching my videos without subscribing, guys, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe. It's free. And guys, on today's video, I'm going to do a get to know me tag. Yesterday I did a Insta stories Q&A and people had a lot of questions about me, and guys, I decided to answer all of your questions here. In case I skip your question, comment down below, I will answer you. And guys, the questions are here, so let's start. On to the first question. What are your real names? My real names, I'm Claudia Joel. In case you don't know me, you have subscribed and you don't know me, my good name is Claudia Joel. The second question, what is the first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning? First thing when I wake up in the morning, I pray. I pray. I'm a Christian. I do pray. What made you start a YouTube channel? Guys, YouTube is something that I've always been wanted to do. Yes, YouTube channel is something that I've been always wanted to do. And guys, I love social media. Hey, I love social media. Wait. I love that attention, being seen in public. So that encouraged me to start a YouTube channel. And another question, what makes you happy? What makes me happy? What makes me happy? Okay, something that one thing that makes me happy is when people are happy. That is something that makes me happy. And what makes you sad? When people are sad. When people are sad. How old are you? I'm grown. I'm grown. I'm an adult. Anyway, was that question necessary? Anyway, I'm 28 years old. In case you want to know my age, I'm 28. Who is your celebrity crush? I don't have any celebrity crush. Huku Kenya na maju. I don't have any celebrity crush. Apart from YouTube, what side hustle do you do? Apart from YouTube, I work with a shipping company. That's what I do apart from YouTube. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? I'm a Kenyan. I'm a Kenyan. I'm a Kamba doll from Machakos County. Yeah, I think I've answered correctly. What's your favorite color? Honestly, it depends in terms of what favorite color. So kama ni nguo itategemea tu hiyo material yake, design itaendesha na hiyo color. So mimi I don't have any favorite color. So mimi naendanga na yenye imekuja. So hakuna kala mbaya, itategemea tu. What's your favorite movie? Okay, honestly, I don't watch movies. I'm not a fan of movies. I'm a comedy person, so I love comedy. Ukinipata nikiwatch comedy. Hey. Which country would you like to visit if given a chance? Country I would like to visit when I am even given a chance. I think Maldives. I think Maldives. What do you regret in life? What do you regret in life? Do I regret? No. I don't regret anything in my life. Honestly, if shit happens to my life, I take it easy. I take it as a lesson. I take it as a wave. Ni kitu inapita. So, I don't regret anything in my life. So, guys, I think I've answered all of your questions here. Kama nimeskip yako, comment down below. Nitaweza kukujibu. And guys, thank you so much for subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And kama huja subscribe, please subscribe. It's free. And guys, thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.